kaunti ya Kisii ĩrĩa tariane Ndemo Stephen.
Mbia mano Ndemo Stephen ase oroboti oru no mwesaboigo ase omorokiwa Dennis Ombati oyobwate amaxi chimi sato na 12 korwase gose asa matemo manene a KCP akakorende tarabaga goswa eskure secondary kubwatikana no kuburwa wechibesa nekero omorokiwa oyo abakagotara korwase chinsemo chanaro kwekaso rugongo rwa Gusii niga umirana na Msamaria baya abo bamokonyire asara chigoswa ase eskure secondary ya Hema Chitago muri keito Kerubo noroboti uraso wikiranu
kubwetekana nelichiko ase sekta yechisemi aborokigwa bakoreta amatemwa a KCPE omwaka bw'ekiribubere 2022 nigo babwenete gwikirana chiskuru a chitariki 13 mutinyo kabere omwaka yiga bw'ekiribubere 2023 elyo kogendera kwenyorera chisemi Kolende abange nigo barokanire goteikirana kubwetekana no kubura gwechibesa ase abange batali kwenyara.
Please come in as a family to cater for the welfare of those who are in need. And as a school, some of you reported 2 weeks ago, others last week, but there are some who are still at home because of fee, because of uniform, because of inability to meet the requirements for one to join.
Omorokigwa Dennis Ombati ngati yaborokigwa bali banyorete omochando bobosoa eskuru. Nigo Dennis anyorete amaxi chimisato na 19 asenonya nabo mamumwabo atalenge no kubwa wikaka musemya kuirora eligo chikwenyorera scholarship eliko gendera na masomaye. Magega yoko igwabuna aborokigwa bange babere bagokonyeka nigo Dennis emogetiga tambukiro na gotara na magorokorwa se county ya Narok goika county ya Kisii elio ogokonyeka.
One of us here is a needy boy who had given up of joining Form 1. We came in as a school and we said let's invite this boy to come and join us, and it shall become a responsibility of all of us supporting him to go through school. Will you join us in doing that?
Bono Dennis nigale nekia kwegokeria ase anyorete libaga ase skuru ya Hema Chitago magayo musibati yo mogwe sokia elio kumusira.
So where is daddy boy? Come over. Davis. Is a guardian to Davis. The need of this boy, and we took a step to allow him to come and join our school. So we appreciate his mother for also being concerned. It's not her son. She has offered herself to support.
Tingaki aborokigwa bekirasigia kienda bale kwaliganigwa nigo aborokigwa ba Hema Chitago basegetiriwe gukora omokia eligokonyeka amatuko abosio.
You have come here for a mission and a purpose to work hard, leave this place a better person than you came. One of our philosophy says that you leave Hema a better place than you found it. By working hard and scoring good grades, we will make the name of Hema become better and better.
Tinga kechio oboigoni go baboligwe koba abegenwa na boigo gwetenenera eliokonyora amachibu amaya ekiagera koibera konde gwensi ngoyo asa matemwa manene.
There is no cheating. Honesty to excellence. If you are found cheating in an exam, soon you are beginning your exams. There is no cheating. You must work hard and be independent in any exam you take.
Frida Kerubo,